President Donald Trump signed an executive order on May 12, 2025, targeting high prescription drug prices. This most favored nation policy seeks to reduce costs by up to 80% for Medicare beneficiaries, though it has sparked debate about its feasibility and potential impact on pharmaceutical innovation. Did you know that prescription drug prices in the United States are often far higher than what people pay in other countries? Sometimes it's 4 or 5 times the cost for the same medication. While other developed nations negotiate directly with drug companies to set limits on pricing, our government has traditionally let the market dictate costs, leaving many seniors struggling to afford essential medications despite Medicare coverage. Under this new executive order, drug prices in the United States would be brought in line with what's paid in other countries like Germany, France, or Canada. This change could impact a broad range of medications covered under Medicare and pushes pharmaceutical companies to lower their prices voluntarily within a 30-day window. If they don't act, the government could step in more forcefully. If this executive order moves forward as intended, you could start seeing changes in how much you pay for prescriptions as early as January 2026. Lowering Medicare drug prices would likely ease the pressure on your monthly budget, especially if you're managing a chronic condition that requires ongoing medication. For many seniors on fixed incomes, even a small drop in drug costs can make a big difference. This change could also affect how doctors prescribe treatments and how pharmacies handle inventory. If more affordable drugs become available, you might have access to newer or previously cost-prohibitive options. However, there's concern that some companies could pull certain medications from the market or limit access if profits drop too sharply. Supporters call the executive order a necessary correction to a system that has allowed drug companies to charge Americans far more than patients in other countries. Opponents argue that the policy could backfire, potentially reducing access to medications or discouraging pharmaceutical companies from investing in new treatments. Legal challenges are already underway, raising questions about whether the government has the authority to impose these changes. For more information about Medicare, please speak with a Senior Healthcare Solutions Medicare expert today at 866-633-4427. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.